Eto, kung sakaling hindi kayo makapasok ngayon, meron pa rin kayong chance sa mag-audition. Ibig sabihin yan, may chance kayo para i-develop nyo pa yung skills nyo at talent nyo. Maaaring this day, hindi kayo nasa mood. Bibigyan ko pa kayo another chance. Kaya po pwede pa. Pero susunod, dapat galingan nyo. Audition pa lang, didesisyonan na kayo kung papasok kayo. Can I have the envelope now? Thank you. Okay. Sige. Etong envelope na to is your career. Pag pumasok kayo dito, monthly finals. After nyan, grand finals na. Pinamadali namin to dahil maraming sumasali. Good luck. Here we go. Ulitin ko lang, performer number 1, Amazing Acrobats. Performer number 2, Michelle Talley. Lastly, performer number 3, Junior FMD Extreme. Kayo na humusga. Sino ang gusto yung manalo ngayong araw? 1, 2, or 3. Yeah. One, two, or three. The winner will receive 20,000 in cash. Non-winner will receive 10,000. At ang mananalo ngayon, babalik kayo sa ating monthly finals. Here we go! Performer number... Performer number... Number 3! Junior FMD3! Thank you very much, Amazing Acrobats! And also to Miss Michelle Talley.
Hello mga kapuso! I am Amira Teng. Nagustuhan niyo ba ang video na to? Marami pa kami inihanda para sa inyo. Mag-subscribe lang sa official YouTube channel ng Wawa Wins and don't forget to hit the bell button para lagi kayong updated.